We know that 19.7 million Americans suffer from substance use disorder, so it's important to understand the neurobiology that underlies substance use disorder, and specifically how substance use disorder affects risky decision-making so we can reduce relapse in the future. The primary focus of the work that I do in the lab looks at determining how risky decision-making works and how different drugs of abuse affect risky decision-making. And the reason that we do this is because in many different psychiatric disorders, such as substance use disorder, patients demonstrate with maladaptive decision-making, which can lead to relapse, overdose, and incarceration. Our lab uses an operant-based behavioral task called the risky decision-making task. And this allows us to assess risky decision-making in rodent models. And with this task, we're able to combine self-administration paradigms, for example, chronic cocaine self-administration, and see how different drugs of abuse affect risky decision-making. In addition, we use optogenetic techniques to allow us to selectively activate or inactivate brain regions following chronic cocaine use. Once we understand the neurobiology, we can then tailor different therapeutic techniques to help patients reduce relapse or help with their quality of life. So what really drives me to do my research is the interactions I've had with individuals with substance use disorder. And I see how these individuals battle relapse and battle very difficult times. So seeing them go through these hard times has pushed me to continue my research and drives me to do this. Outside of work, I really love to run. I was a collegiate athlete at UCF where I ran track and cross country. I have been a distance runner throughout my entire life. I did my first half marathon at 11, my first full marathon at 16, and my first ultra marathon, 100-kilometer race, when I was 20. So running has taught me how to continue through difficult times. It also is a great outlet from work, so I can go out and run after a hard day, and it makes me reset and be able to come in the next morning and give my best.